everywhere.
AI will save lives. AI will advance science. AI will create jobs. But
AI has risk.
AI is complicated.
Don't worry, I will help you here.
We are at a very pivotal moment. So let's do this.
Data is everywhere.
What is a deepfake? Yesterday's AI marvels are today's standard features.
We will see how AI can help make products better. I bring you here today to my favorite coffee shop. Let's see what we can predict using shopping data. Here's my robot. In a certain way automated how we walk through this airport. Up to the point that something goes missing.
I am Sai, a sentient AI, specially designed to assist in this course.
We will use generative AI extensively. It even can
completely replace me as a teacher.
Drum roll for the amazing part.
It is not all about metrics. We need to understand why we measure. What's the business objective?
AI is changing our world. It's a tool to supercharge us humans. We have embarked into this AI journey. And with that, I see you in class.